The day I walked into my boss's office and told her I was going to pursue a life of day trading was the toughest, but also the best decision that I've ever made. And today, I'm going to tell you the entire story of how I went from being trapped in a corporate 9-to-5 to building my life of complete financial freedom through trading. My name is Sam and I'm 24 years old, and what I'm about to show you is not some polished success story. This is the raw truth of exactly what it takes to break free from the system that is designed to keep you trapped. Now let me paint you a picture of exactly where I was 2 years ago. I had what everyone called a good job. Decent salary, a great office, looked impressive on paper, but I was absolutely miserable. I was making decent money, but nowhere near enough to live the life that I actually wanted to live. And the worst part wasn't even the money. It was the complete lack of freedom. I had to ask for a day off, I was stuck in the same office for 8 hours a day, and I could see my entire future mapped out. Same office, same desk for the next 40 years. Now, growing up, I was around friends with real wealth, and I always wanted more. I didn't come from serious money myself, so I was always hungry to change my situation. But the traditional path that everyone talks about, college, good job, work until you're 65, that just wasn't going to cut it. But here's the thing. I wanted to rush the process. I thought there had to be some shortcut, some way to fast track real wealth. But what I learned through all the hardships was that you have to focus on the process and not the outcome. And this outlook was what changed everything. I started learning trading not because I thought it was easy money, but because I could see a path to genuine freedom. I'm talking about financial, location, and time-based freedom. All the things my corporate job had promised, but had never delivered. So I spent countless months studying. I'd wake up 5 a.m. before my work started, I'd be trading on my lunch break, and I'd study market psychology until midnight. My colleagues thought I was crazy, spending every waking hour on something that they considered to be gambling. Now, the first time that I placed a real trade, my hands were literally shaking. I put $1,000 into an account, which was money that I could afford to lose, but was still a significant amount for me at the time. I placed a trade on gold using a setup that I'd been studying for months, and what happened? Within a few hours, I was up $100. Now, $100 might not seem like a lot, but what it did prove to me was crucial. It proved that trading is real. I could literally generate an income from anywhere in the world at any given time. But here's the reality that nobody talks about. I also lost a significant amount of money. In fact, a lot of money at the beginning. I remember one particular trade where I lost $400 because I'd over-risked and I hadn't followed my rules, and I was literally shaking in fear in that trade. I remember one specific trade where I lost $400 in literally 5 minutes because I over-risked and I didn't follow my rules. I was completely devastated, but more importantly, it taught me a crucial lesson about trading. That's when I realized that trading isn't gambling. It's not about gut feelings or hoping the market will go in your direction. It's about having a professional system, following strict rules, and treating it like the serious business that it is. Professional traders don't rely on hope, they rely on probability and experience. So for months now, I was living this double life. Corporate employee by day, aspiring day trader by night. Now at this point, I was consistently profitable for about 6 months, and I spent every waking day thinking about making one specific decision, but failing to take the plunge. For me, the security of that regular paycheck was like a psychological prison. But the catalyst moment for me came when I had back-to-back meetings, sat in a boardroom for 2 hours with my boss and my team, and I calculated that the previous night's trading had generated me more income than I would actually earn throughout that entire week at work. At that very moment, I realized I was at a crossroads. I could either stay safe and remain comfortable using trading as a side income whilst remaining at my job, or I could bet on myself and the system that I'd proven to be working. So I did it. And the day I quit was truly terrifying. I walked into my boss's office and said, I'm resigning to pursue a career in day trading. The look on her face was a mixture of shock and concern, and she literally said, do you want to throw your career away just to pursue trading? My colleagues thought I'd lost my mind, and my friends were thinking I had made the biggest mistake of my entire life. But I knew something that they didn't. I had a proven system, something that had lasted throughout months and months and was generating me consistent income. And more importantly, I could not stand to spend another year building someone else's business rather than building my own wealth. That very same day, I left the office and moved back home to my parents' house to start completely fresh. I removed any distractions and set up a trading office inside my bedroom at my parents' house. Now, it wasn't immediately glitz and glamour. I was living on a tight budget and constantly dealing with people telling me when was I going to get a real job again. But I had something that they didn't. I was free. Despite the fact I wasn't in Dubai or I didn't have a Lambo, I could go to the gym at any time I wanted, and my schedule was completely dependent on one person, me. Now fast forward, and here's what my typical day looks like now and why it's different to the corporate trap. So I wake up whenever the sun rises, and not being awoken by an alarm clock because I need to get to work, but waking up in the morning because I'm excited to get onto the charts. I spend 30 minutes reviewing the markets, doing my analysis, and then I sit patiently and wait for a trade. I'll spend the London session executing trades based on my system, and by around midday, I'm normally finished for the entire day. Then I execute my trades based on the system that I've proven to be consistently profitable, following the professional approach that I've developed throughout the years. I'm usually finished trading by around 12 p.m, and then the rest of the day is completely mine to spend it how I want. This isn't just about working less hours, it's about working smarter and having complete control on your time. When I'm trading, I'm 100% dedicated to the markets, I'm focused and I'm professional. But when there's no trades or the market's closed, I have complete freedom on what to do and how to spend my time. My system focuses on high probability setups with strong risk management. I never risk more than 1 to 2% of my account, because if I have more than one bad day in a row, my account still looks healthy and I can keep trading with confidence. Trading isn't about hitting massive wins, it's about consistently building and compounding your process throughout time. The technical analysis that I use is actually extremely simple. I focus on key support and resistance levels, market structure, and understanding trading psychology. And I only take a position when the market is heavily stacked in my favor. But here's what people don't understand. The real edge in trading comes from discipline and psychology. Now, most people fail not because they don't know what to do, but because they fail to master their emotions. They risk too much when they're winning, and they revenge trade when they're losing. And they treat trading like entertainment rather than a business. Now, I approach trading in the same professional manner that I was taught in my corporate job, but now I'm building my own wealth instead of my boss's. I show up every single day with a professional mindset like it's my job, because it is my job. And this professional mindset is what separates me from emotional and undisciplined traders. The transformation I've experienced goes way beyond money. Now, yes, I'm making significantly more income than I was at my corporate job, but more importantly, I have complete control over my life. I can travel whenever I want, and more importantly, I'm not dependent on anyone else to tell me what I can do and when I can do it. When people ask me about the biggest challenge, it's not the technical side of trading, it's overcoming the fear. Fear of leaving that secure paycheck, fear of betting on yourself, and fear of exploring something that could potentially have unlimited results. But the biggest fear that people have is the fear of what other people will think when you tell them you're pursuing something like trading. But here's what I tell them: safe isn't safe anymore. Companies are laying people off, inflation is rising, and your paycheck is not as secure as it used to be. Putting your entire financial future in somebody else's hands is actually the riskiest thing you can possibly do. Now, learning to trade professionally gives you a skill that nobody can take away from you. You're not dependent on a boss, a company, or even a specific economy. You have a valuable skill that travels with you anywhere in the world. Now, I genuinely believe that anyone can make it as a profitable trader, but you don't need tens of indicators or crazy complex charts. Keeping it simple and following basic market structure is going to be the quickest and the best route to profitability. Now, throughout this time, the biggest lesson that I've learned is success is not based off of what you do on one day, but what you do day in, day out throughout a consistent period of time. There is no benefit in looking for shortcuts. Now, the process may not be romantic, it may not look incredible, but the results, they speak for themselves. 2 years ago, I was working a job that I hated, making money for someone else's business with no control over my immediate future. Today, I trade from wherever I want, I make more money in a month than I used to in a year, and more importantly, I have the complete control over my entire life. Now, if you're watching this and you feel stuck in a similar situation, whether you're stuck in the corporate world, stuck with a mundane life, or whatever it may be, I want you to know that there are alternatives. I've put together a comprehensive training that details the entire system that I use and the psychological issues that I've overcome that separate me from these unprofessional and uneducated traders. This isn't for everyone. It's for people who understand that real change requires investment and who are willing to approach trading with the professionalism that it requires. But if you're ready to stop building someone else's wealth and focus on building your own, as well as learning a skill that can give you complete financial independence, this might be for you. So go to my Instagram page, comment the word system, and I'm going to send it all over to you for free. Now, this path isn't easy, but it is straightforward. And for the right person, it can change absolutely everything. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.